Another Alpine fishing adventure. Kobe and I are in the middle of nowhere. The road was pretty sketch getting up here. Pretty good trail, but you can tell not a lot of people have used it. But we're heading up to fish this Alpine lake that's rumored to have pretty good fish in there. So we're going to be targeting West Slope Cutthroat today. But I've got my wilderness light, backpack and fins, couple rods, sink tip, 2 boxes of flies. Should be good, but well, we're gonna hike up and see you on the lake. Can't wait to see what this thing looks like. We have arrived. Just a beautiful lake. Wow. Wow. Oh my God.
Look at it glisten.
Oh, it just looks so good. Getting the wilderness light all pumped up. Man, it's just, the setting alone is just incredible. It'll be just a bonus if we catch a fish, but seriously, this crystal clear waters, I mean, just absolutely stunning out here. Pretty awesome launch, actually. My rods. I'm ready. Let's do this without falling on the butt. That would be cool. Or having the float tube float away. That would also be cool. It's never easy. Oh. Nice. Okay. Oh, water temps are great. I don't know if you can get the scale of this, but I'm casting right up to a giant granite wall. I mean, look at this thing. It's just, it's like I'm on another planet. It's crazy. But that looks fishy over there. I can see like a big rock or something under the ground or under the water. Oh no. Well, I'll fish this mess real quick. Oh, what do you know? I got a fish. Just dragging a couple of, one's a dragonfly nymph and the other is a, like a damselfly nymph. Oh, nice fish. Yeah. Solid fish. Ate the dragonfly nymph. Wow. Nice fish. There. Butte. Dragonfly nymph. Here's something that drives me nuts. Here's somebody just left all this shit right here. We got styrofoam. Just like trash their tent. And then there's that. We're gonna pick this crap up. Bagged up, we're gonna take it to the trash. It's good karma, Cub. We're gonna catch lots of fish tomorrow now.
Okay.